What if you could have a fully functional website in less than 2 minutes with just a few clicks without hiring a web designer or using a boring template? Meet Ada, your artificial intelligence design assistant that builds your website for you, completely unique to your needs, your business, and your content. Ada is your entrepreneurial secret weapon. With more than 650 business types to choose from, she can build anything from a responsive e-commerce store, professional business website, or even a personal portfolio. She creates exactly what you wish. Just tell Ada your business name and the sector you operate in, and in 30 seconds, she will come up with a unique design for your website. All that's left is simply editing your images and content. And if you're not 100% pleased with the result, you just tell Ada to recreate your website and she'll do it on the spot. See all the impressive things that Ada can do.